Good morning. I am Kanishka of class 10th B and today I am going to make China rose or hibiscus indicator. First we have to boil the water in a bowl. When the water is lukewarm, add 3 to 4 China roses or hibiscus in it and stir them until it is ready. The water started to boil and the color is finally changing. Finally, our indicator is ready. Let's pour it in a clean glass and put it aside to cool down. As we can see that our China rose indicator is ready. It is dark maroon in color. Good morning, I am Kanishka of class 10th B and today I am going to do an experiment. This is China rose indicator. Let's put it in the soap solution. We know that soap solution is a basic solution. China rose indicator turns this basic solution in violet color. Let's put China rose indicator in acid. We can see that this China rose indicator turns this acid pink in color. China rose indicator turns all the acid in pink in color. China rose indicator turns base violet and greenish in color. This is China rose indicator. It is a natural indicator and dark maroon in color.
Hi, I am Tanya from class 10th B. Today I am going to show you some experiments with boric acid, detergent, lime water, baking soda, turmeric paper. So now we have red litmus paper, blue litmus paper and pH paper. Firstly, we take blue litmus paper and dipped in boric acid. So you see, when we dip the blue litmus paper in boric acid, so it turns red in color, weak acid. Second, we take red litmus paper. We take detergent, add some water, mix it well. Now we dip red litmus paper in detergent. So you can see, when we dip red litmus paper in detergent, so it changes in blue color. So it is basic in nature. Now we take pH paper. We take pH paper and we dip in lime water. So you can see, when we dip pH paper in lime water, so it changes in color red. So it was acidic in nature. Now we take turmeric paper with turmeric solution.
Good morning. My name is Yanshi from class 10th B KV Vasant Kunj. Today I am here to show some experiments based on acids, bases and salts. So we have a theory that whenever we pour acid on blue litmus paper, it turns red, and whenever we pour base on red litmus paper, it turns blue.
And when we have a natural indicator called turmeric, and whenever we pour acid on turmeric or whenever we add acid on turmeric, it remains unchanged. But when we add base on turmeric, it turns red. So you may have noticed that whenever curry falls on your clothes or something curry, so you try to just rub it with soap or with detergent. So what happens is that it turns a little bit of red, and when you wash it with plenty of water, it again turns yellow. So this is the thing. So let's see some experiments based on acid, bases and salts. So I have got some substances with me. First of all, this is liquid detergent. Liquid detergent, the formula that has in it is sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide is a base, so this liquid detergent can act as a base. Now this turmeric. Turmeric is a natural indicator. It tells whether substance is acid or base. Then I have this Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola has very small amount of phosphoric acid present in it, so it can act as acid. And at last I have vinegar. Vinegar is also a strong acid that has acetic acid in it. Now, as I told that whenever we try to pour some base on red litmus paper, it turns blue, and whenever we add some acid on blue litmus paper, it turns red. So here I have this red litmus paper. This was this red litmus paper. So when I added it on this detergent, as the formula of detergent is sodium hydroxide, and I told that it is a base. So when I just added this base on this red litmus paper, it has turned blue. As you can see, it is dark blue over here. So this can tell us that this is a base. Now I have tried adding this red litmus into this Coca-Cola. As I said that Coca-Cola has small amount of phosphoric acid present in it. So this will turn the color of red litmus into red itself. So it will remain unchanged. So this was red litmus, and as you can see that I have just added this red litmus into this Coca-Cola, and the color is unchanged. It's red. You can see, right? It's red. So this means that this Coca-Cola is acidic in nature. Now I have got this turmeric paper with me. As I am adding this turmeric paper to this liquid detergent, you can see that the color of this was yellow earlier, and now it is turning red, right? You can see that it's red because, as I have told, that whenever curry falls on our clothes, whenever we try to just wash it with soap, it turns red, right? So this is what happens. This turmeric is turning red. This means that this liquid detergent is basic in nature. So you can see this was yellow, this has turned red. Now I have this pH scale. I am just adding it in this vinegar. So you can see a darkish yellow color is occurring. We know that vinegar is acetic acid, right? Acetic acid is present in this vinegar, so it is very strong, right? So this pH scale, this turns that it is very strong acid. So you can see that this strong acid presence is here in it. So this is it. Now I have tried adding this, as earlier by experiment I have added this red litmus into this Coca-Cola, so it turned red. But now I have tried adding this red litmus into this detergent again. So you can see now again it is turning blue, right? You can see it. So now at last we have these results. Let's observe that what we have got in our experiment. So first of all, we saw that whenever we add this red litmus into any base, it turns blue, right? Red litmus is turning blue, and whenever we add this red litmus into a acid, this remains unchanged, means its color remains red, right? Now we have this turmeric paper. When we added this turmeric paper to a base, that is liquid detergent we have present over here, so it turned red. And we see it on our day-to-day life that it turns red whenever curry falls on our clothes. So now we have this pH scale. We try to add this pH scale. We try to pour some vinegar over this pH scale, and it has turned this dark yellowish type of color. This means that this is acidic in nature, and it is a very strong acid. Now at last we have this was red litmus paper. Here you can see its color was red, and now it has turned blue because we added it in the liquid detergent, and now it has turned blue. So at last we got our observation. That was the theory, that red litmus turns blue when added to base, and red litmus turns blue, right? And whenever we add any acid on blue litmus, it turns red. And this turmeric paper, turmeric turns red in presence of base, and pH scale gives, it tells different acids and bases how strong they are. So this is the final result, how we got different colors, and this tells how our observation was there. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sharlin Chandra. I am student of class 10th B. So today I am going to present an experiment related to acid, bases and salt. So the required material is turmeric powder, detergent powder, some water, 2 toothpicks for mixing and 1 lemon. So first I will make a turmeric solution. I will put some water in the turmeric powder. And I will mix the solution properly. Now we can see we prepared a solution, a thick solution of turmeric. So now I will going to put some detergent in the turmeric, and we will see how the color of turmeric solution will change. We will mix it properly. And now we can see it properly change into brownish red solution. You can see here it properly change into brownish red. And now we will put some lemon juice in the solution. And now we can see again it change the brownish solution, the red solution change into yellow solution. So this is the experiment related to acid, bases and salt. Thank you. Have a nice day.